Now, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy has once again taken a dynast jibe at DMK. Speaking at a campaign in Tamil Nadu's Kunur, EPS slammed the DMK, saying that it's the family that is the party and not the outsiders. In fact, no outsiders are allowed in the DMK to hold power. He said that since Stalin runs the party, his son Udayanidhi Stalin heads the youth wing, his daughter Kanimoy heads the women's wing. No other people apart from the family members can really get posts within the DMK. This is not the first time that EPS has slammed the DMK on dynasty politics. Speaking to India Today earlier, Udayanidhi said that no one in his family was offered a ticket with a silver spoon and everyone worked hard to achieve their positions.
திருமதி கனிமொழி மகளே நிச்சயம் நல்ல குடும்பம் சரியா போச்சு. வேற யாருக்கு பதவி கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. வேற யாருக்கு குடும்பமே எல்லா பதவியும்.
Now let's quickly cut across to what Udayanidhi Stalin said on dynasty politics in an earlier interview with India Today.
கலைஞர் வந்து இந்த வரைக்கும் அப்பாவுக்கு வந்து எதையும் எடுத்து தூக்கிலாம் அப்படிலாம் ஒன்றும் கொடுக்கல. அப்பாவோட வளர்ச்சி வந்து அது ஒரு 45 ஆண்டு கால 50 ஆண்டு கால உழைப்பு. ஆக்சுவலி நீங்கள் அவரோட என்ன கம்பேர் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப தப்பு. கலைஞருடைய தமிழுக்கும் அவருடைய உழைப்புக்கும் நம்முடைய இப்போ இருக்கிற தலைவருடைய அப்பாவுடைய உழைப்புக்கும் கொஞ்சம் இட்ஸ் நாட் அந்த மாதிரி கம்பேர் பண்ணுறது வந்து ரொம்ப தப்பு.
Now, DMK chief MK Stalin's son Udayanidhi Stalin hit a new low while campaigning for Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. Stalin Jr., while alleging that Modi sidelined a number of senior leaders to become the Prime Minister, claimed that former Union Ministers Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley died due to the pressure mounted on them and the torture on them from Modi. In fact, Sushma Swaraj's daughter, meanwhile, Bansuri Swaraj, lashed out at Stalin Jr., asking him not to use her mother's memory for political propaganda. Calling Udayanidhi's claims as false, she added that both the Prime Minister and the party has really stood by them in their darkest hour. Arun Jaitley's daughter, Sonali Bakshi, also targeted Udayanidhi, saying that he lied and disrespected her father's memory.
சுஷ்மா ஸ்வராஜ்னு ஒருத்தங்க இருந்தாங்கம்மா, மோடியோட தொல்லை தாங்காம இறந்து போயிட்டாங்க. அருண் ஜேட்லின்னு ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாருமா, மோடியோட அழுத்தம், மோடியோட தொல்லை தாங்காம, மோடியோட டார்ச்சரை தாங்காம அந்த ஆள் இறந்தே போயிட்டாரு. அதே மாதிரி வெங்கைய நாயுடு ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாருமா, அவர் தான் மோடிக்கு அடுத்து பிரதமர்னாங்க. இப்ப அவரையும் ஓரம் கட்டி வச்சுட்டாங்க. இவ்வளவு பேரை ஓரம் கட்டிட்டு நீங்க குறுக்கு வழியில வந்துட்டு, திரு மோடி அவர்களே, உங்களை பார்த்து பயப்படுறதுக்கு நான் கூழ கும்பிடு போடுறதுக்கு எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி கிடையாது. நான் உதயநிதி ஸ்டாலின், நான் கலைஞர் பேர.
Instead of contesting election on political issues, Udayji is actually disrespecting the memory of my mother, Sushma Swaraj, as well as her beloved and cherished colleague, Mr. Arun Jaitley, to attack our Prime Minister. It shows that the DMK does not have any real issues to contest the elections. And I must say, as a family, we're really hurt because Prime Minister Modi has only shown unwavering support for us as a family. He respected my mother and he honored her. He gave her the entire bandwidth of his entire infrastructure as a Prime Minister to rescue and do the wonderful things that she has done over the years as the Foreign Minister of this country. This particular attack on the Prime Minister not only desecrates my mother's memory, but it also shows how hollow the DMK's campaign is in attacking our Prime Minister, who is doing nothing but only working relentlessly for the progress of this nation.
Shows the level of desperation when they are staring at defeat, and which is exuberating day by day. This shows a level of desperation, and it makes them stoop as low as this. And it is not new for DMK culture. Even the senior most leaders have made derogatory remarks of late. So the new kid on the block, Mr. Udayanidhi, making these kinds of statements, is their culture. That's how DMK is known to. And it's really, we have to hang our head in shame to say that we have youngsters and someone like him in public life from Tamil Nadu.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.